I'm really overwhelmed by the acting and the performance of all the cast. They have really performed so well that I could see around me that people were with their handkerchiefs and weeping so much. My colleagues and my friends. Performance was good. Certain values and culture was reflected very well.
Bhari like movie. The entire cast acted very well. Full team all efforts disun yeta. I urge everyone, young or old, to come and watch this movie.
या पिक्चर नो वर्ड्स एंटायर पुरा जणांनी लायक काम केला आणि काय इगो मनशाल इगो कशी डिस्ट्रॉय घेता मनीस तर आमगे इगो आम कळटा आमी कसो न्याय केला आणि एक मागीर ह्या पिक्चर कोणी मेकअप करनी सिंप्लिसिटी.
The movie was excellent. It was very nice.
The movie was really excellent. Everybody's done a fantastic job. I think everybody's pura jana ne unko lokha hai. It was something which is day to day happening in everybody's life. Not like a movie, but it was really wonderful.
By seeing the movie, the youngsters will have an opportunity to let those things not happen in their life. They will not regret it later. So I think it is a great lesson for the youngsters.
A fantastic movie. The acting was also too good, and in today's world I feel that such shows and such type of movies should be showcased again and again. Thank you.
भारी लायक असेल थीम भारी खुश जाल्ले मोर एल्लंतू सांगचे नाका आमका सांगील म्हणके जाल्ले
की मग आपण एकदम भयंकर ओव्हरवेल्म्ड झाले. So thank you very much for this type of movie.
Content of the film which was there, I could relate it to my life also, and maybe even the behavior of our children in the present era, I think it can be related to that. Overall, I think it was wonderful, and it was appreciative that all these actors, despite appearing in the camera for the first time, they have done a wonderful job.
मी कोकणी नसून सुद्धा मला फार पिक्चर आवडला आणि सर्वांचे काम चांगली झालेली आहेत. पिक्चर एकदम बेस्ट आहे कारण आताचं जनरेशन आणि आमचं जनरेशन त्याच्यामुळे ते कसं काय रिलेट करायचं किंवा काय करायचं त्याच्यामुळे फार आनंद झाला पिक्चर बघून.
तो हम प्रोग्राम कशी दसपडारी चेडू म्हणे पिक्चर पळो का कडे त्यांनी पश्चाताप बुची बदला का तर हे पिक्चर पळोनो त्यांनी कशी एक अन्न मन उरलो एक संस्कार येऊनो तांकां रेस्पेक्ट देऊनो लाईफ आणतो तांकां कसं विलेज जाता कडे पश्चाताप जज बदला का हे चांग त्यांनी कोण कुटुंब चंद्रकोन गेले लायक म्हणून मी गेले सगळ्या विनंती.
Tarpan Muni, very excellent movie, and the direction and the storyline was very good, and the actors have done a fabulous job, and the young generation especially should see this movie.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole team of Tarpan along with the actor and director producer, because first film I am seeing in Konkani, our own language.
Thanks to Team Tarpana for bringing this beautiful reality movie which has got a very nice subject. They have come up with a nice subject, and I would hope to from the team of Team Tarpana to get some more topics like this. There are many such topics which will benefit the coming generation.
So the present younger generation should watch it, and I wish the team very good in future also.
This is one of the most wonderful movies I've ever seen, and everything about the movie was good. The dialogues were very precise. The depiction was very realistic, and it's a wonderful movie with a great social message. So I recommend everyone to watch this beautiful movie.
Hi Anuj, keep it up, good acting. आणि यंग जनरेशनाक लायक एक लेसन दिला तुवें अशीच एक्टिंग करता राब लायक लायक पिक्चर करता राब मस्त पुरा शिक्षित अशी अशा मूवी दाखवून. आय थिंक ही मूवी म्हळ्यार असं टायप ऑफ मूवी दर वेळार रिलीज करता एक वर्सा एक पाटी पूण वी कॅन लर्न म्हळ्यार मस्त पुरा शिक्षित अशी अशा मुवींत.
सर्व सुरे सांगचे मारी बद्दल भार लायक मूवी जाला मस्त मारी मस्त टचिंग मूवी आशिल्ले आणि सगळ्या कशी रिलेटेबल मूवी केला ताजे निमती थँक्यू सो मच सुरे तुमका आणि मागील देखून इतलेच म्हणचे आसा की तुमगेल मस्त मस्त शो जावो सक्कड शो हाऊसफुल जावो बद्दल लायक
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बेस्ट टू तर्पण टीम व्हेरी नाइसली ऑर्गनाइज्ड आणि एक सांगा की आम्ही केदने पळयला जीएसबी फेस्टिवलान सगळे एकवटू येता ती क्रिकेटा निमित्त एकवटू येता ती आणि हे फर्स्ट टाइम मूवी निमित्तान सगळं एकवटू येता सर दॅट्स रियली ग्रेट सो
God bless you, Tarpan team. We really enjoyed the movie and it was very touching. चल कोंकणी आनी के मस्त जाव का आमगेल्यान तू ही आमकां खुशी इतली खुशी मेळ्ळी न्हय आजी हांव फर्स्ट टाइम हो पिक्चर पळोवन म्हाका भारी खुशी जाली आनी पुरो फुल टिमाक God bless you all. This movie and we are very proud to see a GSB movie and I feel कि this message has to be given to reach to all the youngsters, not only GSBians but all the youngsters, today's youngsters. I feel very brilliantly made movie. मस्त खुशी चल रहा है एक कोंकणी मूवी पढ़ो all the youngsters must watch this movie.
It was a really good movie. Like we all enjoyed it very much. I will recommend it. Thank you.
This is not a movie. This is a ghar ghar ki kahani. We like the concept and the acting.
In time taken to make this movie is really astonishing. Minimum man hours that has been spent.
Heartiest congratulations to entire team of Tarpan. Speechless. Absolutely amazing movie. The subject is आता या नवीन जनरेशन साठी तर एक्झॅक्ट हा सब्जेक्ट खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. ऑल द बेस्ट टीम. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मेनी शोज आणि ऑल द बेस्ट अनुज. खूप छान काम केलंय. खूप छान.
हा छोटा चिंका आज आम्ही इतका पडद्यावर बघितला आणि इतकं सुंदर काम करतो. इतकं काय बोलावं. आजच्या जगामध्ये जे पाहिजे ते डायरेक्टरनी या सर्व टीमनी लोकांसमोर आणलं. खरंच परिस्थिती तशीच होत चाललेली आहे की वडिलांबद्दल प्रेम, मुलांबद्दल प्रेम, आईबद्दलचं प्रेम लोकांना कळावं म्हणून मी धन्यवाद देतो. आम्हाला तुम्ही सिनेमा दाखवलात. आमच्या मनाला खूप खूप बरं वाटलं. असंच तुमचं वृद्धिंगत होतं. चिंका तुला ऑल द बेस्ट. You are going
the best film, ethnic, local film I have seen in years together without any loud background music, and Mulki, which is my hometown also, is beautiful located, very precisely picturized with normal day-to-day life. Bless them. And Devidas Nayak produced many films. We are there to support you, and we are proud to be GSB and proud to be part of this. And these children, Chinka is my nephew, so I am more proud of what he is today. Bless.
खूपच सुंदर मूवी आहे आणि खरंच म्हणजे हा कमर्शियल पण जरी झाला तरी खूप चांगला चालेल. आणि आमच्याकडून पूर्ण तर्पणाच्या टीमला कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स आणि खूप खूप शुभकामना तुमच्या सर्व टीमसाठी. एकच फक्त आमची एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे की जर या मूवीचं डबिंग मराठी आणि हिंदी या दोन्ही जर लँग्वेजमध्ये झालं तर 100% ठाणा काय सगळे पूर्ण मुंबईमध्ये आणि पूर्ण महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सगळीकडे हा मूवी खूप छान चालणार आहे याची आम्ही गॅरंटी देतो. तर प्लीज पण या ऑल द बेस्ट. थँक्यू सो मच.
गुड मेसेज फॉर दिस जनरेशन. वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी. म्हणून माझ्या मुलाला मी घेऊन आली आहे सो दॅट ही दिस इज कन्वेड टू हिम.
खूप छान.
थँक्यू अँड बेस्ट विशेस टू अनुज.
A great compliment to Devdas being his debut and not being from the industry, right? I heard him saying that he is from IT. The duet between father and son and Yakshagana and Arjun, that was a great moment and delivered the message very, very aptly. Absolute stunning performance by each one of the characters, the actors. They played their roles very, very efficiently.
I loved this film. It's very simple, natural, but very heart touching. I mean, I couldn't imagine such kind of film. I feel like I'm there in that film and like standing there and watching everything. So, very proud of you, Anuj, and everybody must watch this film. Thank you so much.
अम्मा घेऊन आईला हवं पिक्चर पळोवच्या खातीर सुपर आशिल्लो पिक्चर खुशी गेल्या
पिक्चर पळोवन भायर खुशी आयली आमकां.
Nice movie and right message given. There is no past, there is no future, and we have to live in the moment. So
आणि अनुजा तर पुरा जन आमकां गोत्तच एज अ सुपर कॉप आमी पळयला ताका बट हे वर्लेल पुरा लायक एक्टर्स बट सान फर्स्ट टाइम फिल्म करचे अशी बिलकुल कळनी आणि ह्या फिल्मान तू फादर अँड सन रिलेशन तर भारी छंद कोण दाखयला त्या सोडून आमगेले साऊथ केंद्राचे कल्चर यक्षगान आमगेल पुरा रिच्युअल्स त्यावेळी मस्त आमगेल लाईफस्टाईल आम्ही सान असताना आमगेल आणि हांवें मिगेल पॅरेंट्स नाची म्हण त्या वेळार मिगेल कसं मनस्थिती आशिल्ले आम्ही कसं पॅरेंट्स ना आतां आमगेल मस्त फ्रेंड्सां सांगता की पॅरेंट्स असताना तांगेला तुम्ही टाइम स्पेंड करायची जे आमगेल मन आशिल्ले ते सम आमकां दिसली त्या स्क्रीनार मस्त छंद फिल्म पुरा जनान तांगेल पॅरेंट्स आवड पळोवच तसल फिल्म तुमकां लँग्वेज या नासल्यारी वरा the film is provided with subtitles so people any part of this country should definitely watch this wonderful movie.
म्हाका हे फिल्मांत एक सगळ्याची फिलींग जावचे किंवा सोशल जे दिसता म्हाका ते दिसता की जे वेळार ते मड तरी सून येता ती कापड न्हेसून येता हांव आजकाल म्हजे फ्रेंड्स आले कोणाले हाकूबत मड्या वता चेलियो नातल्यारी सुन्नो कोणी तांगेल भयण्यो जिन्स हातून नातल्या शॉर्ट्स तांणी आसतात ते म्हाका मस्त फील जाता केन्ना केन्ना એટલે ह्या कार्या तरी तांणी कापड न्हेसून येवपाक तशें म्हाका दिसता आनी जे फिल्मां दाखयला दॅट वेरी गुड पॉयंट करेक्ट.
This movie particularly is eye-opener for all the generations, especially for the young batch, 30s, 40s. So their parents are old, probably in 60s or 70s or so. So this is a very good eye-opener and everyone should see this movie. And I think that this movie should be launched in multiple languages so that other non-Amchikelis will also understand it. Non-GSBs will also understand the message. So,
Tarpana is a wonderful movie and Anuj came up as a surprise. I mean, I've been seeing him Crime Patrol and this is something he has outperformed well. The complete team in this movie, the cast has played a wonderful role. And actually one of the part which really took me was the friction between the father and the son and the analogy with the Yakshagana, which absolutely showed what were the emotions that were rising within them.
This movie is a masterpiece. Seeing such a movie after longer time, it has got a great mistake in it. All the actors have performed brilliantly, especially Mr. Anuj Nayak has performed very brilliantly. I wish the entire Tarpan film all the best and success.
I can say it was just a masterpiece, a very, very well produced and a very well directed movie, and I think everybody should watch Tarpan.
It's a best आणखीन ताणपण त्या एक्टिंग पुरा सगळ्यांनी बरें केल्या पुस्तकान तागेले तो बाब बदललो तो तागेले तागेले आईले एक्टिंग पुरा एकदम लायक आणि सीनरी.
I was very happy to watch this movie Tarpana. A great round of applause to Devdas Naik and his whole team, Anuj and all. A wonderful movie. It's a true story which is being depicted very well. All the actors have acted wonderfully. The whole movie we shot in 15 days. Hats off to all of them. They are not professional actors but wonderful. Each and everything is brought out very sincerely. एक सांगची पडे ते चित्रपट म्हणून तांगेल चेल्ल्या सांगिल्ले की असं उरता रिस्पेक्ट लव युअर पेरेंट्स अँड लिव फॉर द मोमेंट यू शुड नॉट रिग्रेट लेटर ऑन So